Oh, we got a killer today. This is a 1969 Camaro Z28 number match factory tuxedo black. That's really special on a 69Z. No vinyl top. This thing is stunning. I got a great story to tell you about this car. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you can pick up the price tags on about 200 classic cars that are for sale, including this one. And each one will have a monthly finance option as well to make it a little easier. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, the customer that brought us this car lives locally. We've actually known him for decades. He happens to be a judge at the McCacken Muscle Car and Corvette National Show. He is a program director of the Top Flight program for Corvettes. He's very, very well connected in all the Corvette world. He refers to this as his metal car. So anyway, the point is he's an expert when it comes to numbers and codes and that sort of thing, very well respected. He bought this car in the early 1980s, then sold the car, and he's kept track of it ever since. I think it's been the same owner, or mostly the same owner, ever since. I think that's who we bought it back from. I'll confirm that later. Mileage is under 30,000 miles, 29,000 and change. That is believed to be original miles. Absolutely believed to be a genuine black Z28 with numbers matching. The gentleman he sold it to restored the car as a day two car, meaning you bought the car on day one. On day two, you're putting the Craigers on it, the T-handle shifter, the sun tachometer, the yellow traction bars under the back there. So that's how it's set up. It comes with all the parts to put it back to original, except for the rally wheels. So anyway, let's start checking out this body. $35,000 paint job on this car. It was done by a shop also locally, Tri-Power Automotive. It is slick as can be. So it has the cowl induction hood, and I am looking at a mirror, literally laser beam straight. The gaps are square and flush. The fenders, this whole side of the car, it's like a mirror. I'm seeing the reflection of the floor and the walls. Absolutely stunning. The gaps are spot on, square and flush. I love the body lines on the 69. I can tell you the door opened with hardly any effort. See how it closes. Like a new car. No vinyl top, no issues here. I'm not coming down the sail panels, all clean, all the way down to the bottom. You could read a dictionary in the reflection, even at the lower part of the car. All this lines up square and flush, has the spoilers. I mean, glass finish paint. I guess for 35 grand it should be. The stripes are painted on, real nice, the white stripes. This side just as nice. I have not seen a nick or a crack or a flaw anywhere. Not saying I haven't missed one, but I've not found one yet. Opens very easily. Shuts like a new car. The entire body, awesome, pristine, amazing. It is slick. Boy, this car looks good. The glass is crystal clear. All this stainless trim is polished and shiny. Handles, mirrors, emblems are sparkling. Z28, marker lights, all this is just sparkling. Correct T3 headlamps, the correct silver grille, lower spoiler, the lenses, everything looks real sharp. Has the correct antenna. I was told those are original Craigers from back in the day. I don't know if they were re-chromed, but they look brand new. They're just sparkling chrome as well. I am told they are vintage wheels. Polyglass F70 15 reproduction tires on there. All the window seals look to be real good, all the weather strips. This has the exterior trim package, and if you've been watching my videos, you'll know that means it has rain gutters, has the louvers, and wheel well moldings. Do you know why there's bumper guards on the Z28s? Because with the 15-inch wheels, it raised it up where the bumper was too high, so GM had to put bumper guards on to meet regulations. It has the correct slash cut tailpipes. Outside of this car is just sparkling. The rear window's crystal clear. Why don't we open it up, see what it's got for us inside? Okay, we have some extra goodies here in the trunk for you. But first of all, let's check out the slick black paint, the stickers, the weather strips are replaced. It's beautiful. Remember I told you it's a day 2 car. Here's the original parts. Here's the exhaust manifolds with the smog tubes still attached. In here is the original DZ carburetor for the car. Just all these miscellaneous parts will go with it if somebody ever wanted to put it back to stock. There's pictures of the trunk compartment with all of this removed. You can see on our website. Nice clean trunk, rally wheel spare, has a jack. Visit volocars.com. See all the prices and information on all the cars we have, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as new ones are posted. So the jambs are painted real slick. It's a rust-free original metal car. Weather strips fit real nice. Door panels are excellent shape. Armrest, window cranks, all that looks really good. The dash area, the knobs, the wood grain, the vents, all this looks real good. 29,792 miles, believed to be original. The clock is working. And then here's that sun tachometer. That's like a day 2 item. You clamp that onto your steering column there. Dash pad looks to be real nice. So it has a factory in-dash tachometer as well. A lot of people feel they're just not as accurate as the aftermarket. An original AM, FM radio. All this looks to be in nice shape. You got a new lighter in here, new ashtray, nice glove box with an owner's manual. Kick panels are nice and tidy. The carpet fits real nice. Whole center console and the gauges is all real nice. This is the Hearst T-handle knob that everyone put on their cars back then. Seat belts look like they're in mint shape. It does have houndstooth deluxe upholstery on the seats in excellent shape. Back of the seats, the headrest, all this is real nice shape. Back seats reupholstered, the side panels, everything looks real good. All around the back windows, nice and tidy, and the trim fits real nice. An excellent headliner. Dome light works. Visors look like they've been redone. The mirror looks like new. There's a deluxe steering wheel. Very nice interior. With some nice equipment. Gauges, AM, FM, deluxe wheel, houndstooth seats. The body and paint's really the star of the show on this car. So that is the VIN number matched, all the correct dates, codes, you name it. DZ302 motor, double hump heads, has the right intake, aluminum intake. It does have a dual feed Holley under there. It said the original's in the trunk. This is a complete cowl induction system. It's not just the hood. It's actually a little wire that opens up a little flapper door. And that nice, cool, fresh air is forced into the motor. You can see the firewall looks real nice. It does have long tube headers. That's a day 2 item. But at the same time, it has date-coded spark plug wires, the finned valve covers, GM heater hoses. So they wanted to keep it like a day 2 car. You didn't day 2, you didn't go change everything. You just changed a few things. The right fuel filter. The deep groove pulleys, because you rev these engines real high, you don't want the belts flying off, so they're deeper pulleys, which are correct. Spring clamp battery cables, the right radiator and shroud and hoses. This one has power steering and power brakes. The washers are hooked up. It has hood insulation. Yeah, and it's code 1010 on the tag. That means it's black, tuxedo black lower and upper, meaning no vinyl top. I personally drove this car because The owner told me to, so you got to go out and drive it. So I did, and yeah, it drove really nicely. But Michael's going to take you out right now, see what she's got.
Got a beautiful day here. Let's take this Camaro off for a cruise. 1969 Camaro. This is an original Z28. Numbers matching motor on this one with the 302 4-speed manual. Really, really nice, well put together car. This one went through our shop with absolute flying colors, and that's a rarity for us to say that, but there was absolutely nothing checked off on the fail list for this vehicle. It was owned by Bill Braun, who is a prestigious MCACN judge, really well known in the Corvette world. He owned this vehicle, and yeah, he had it totally dialed in. So yeah, let's see what this 302 got. Just like that, up to speed, no problem. An exceptional car, top to bottom. I mean, it's evident when you're driving it that is just how dialed in this vehicle is. Suspension, super nice, firm, but still has that little bit of give. Clutch is amazing on it. Steering, everything about it. It's a fantastic car. I even see the clock is working up here. And we did display that the dumps are working. It gets super quiet when they're closed, of course, and then you can do something like that when they're open. Really fun car, excellent drivability, just exceptional. Everything about it is just amazing. And the look, I mean, we can't get over this paint job out in the sun. It sparkles like jewelry. If you'd like to come out and check it out for yourself, you are more than welcome to do so. Come visit us in beautiful Volo, Illinois. Talk to one of our consultants. They can line you up with a test drive, everything like that. But as I see it, it's an exceptional car. You're absolutely going to love it. Check it out on volocars.com.
I'm really liking this car. Now that I've spent a few more minutes with it, I'm liking it better and better. Everything fits really well. Just a good, honest car to begin with. Underneath is good and honest. Looks like it's all clean, original metal. Looks like it was restored at one time. All the steering, suspension, brakes, all redone and then maintained as needed. Disc brakes in front. E-brake is hooked up. It has the factory style exhaust, with the exception they spliced in some electric dumps. So you can hit a switch and it's running right off the headers and really rock and roll. You look up at the motor, it's spotless, has its original correct dated Muncie transmission, 4-speed. The Posi, oh boy, I forgot what gear. It is the original Posi 12-bolt rear end. I'll have to figure out the gears, and that will be listed in our ad on our website, which is volocars.com. That's where you go to contact the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. It's all at volocars.com. Thanks for watching.